Feliz Navidad.
And Merry Christmas. Hello, my name is Priscilla Hernandez, co-chair of the Inner City Games and Hollenbeck Youth Center's Miracle on First Street Toy Giveaway.
And I'm Mark Sanchez, official ambassador to the Inner City Games. And we're here to invite you to this year's annual Miracle on First Street Toy Giveaway on December 11th, 2010.
The Miracle on First Street is a 3-decade tradition that embodies the true spirit of the holiday, providing gifts to over 10,000 young people and families in the Los Angeles area.
We hope you can help support this great event that brings Christmas cheer to those families in need. Please pick up your phone and give us a call.
For more information, please call 323-881-6562. Again, 323-881-6562, or log on to our website at www.hollenbeckpbc.org.
Help us make this a true Miracle on First Street. Hope to hear from you soon.